In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to skillfully add a button in Framer, a productivity tool used by innovators worldwide. This guide will empower you with the knowledge and step-by-step techniques required to continue your learning journey in this versatile platform. Begin by opening your Framer project. Ensure you have your desired project open and ready. This action is your first step into priming your workspace for the insertion of a button. Here's a pro tip. If for some reason you encounter any issues while performing this action, make sure that your Framer software is up to date. Next up, you are going to engage with a key functionality of Framer. To do that, press the CMD key and the K key simultaneously if you are on a Mac. If you are using a Windows operating system, press the Ctrl key and the K key at the same time. This action will bring up what we call the Quick Actions menu. This is a handy shortcut that every Framer user should know. It vastly streamlines your work, allowing you to access specific functions or features without endless menu diving. Music to the ears of every multitasking creator out there, right? And guess what? We're just getting started. Now, get ready to type in the word button. Yes, that's it, just the simple word button. Once you have done so, you should press the Enter key. This action will result in Framer automatically inserting a default button component right onto your canvas. This is just one of the easy ways Framer empowers creators like you to be more efficient and effective. With this easy command, you can save time and maintain your creative flow for longer periods. Now comes the part where your creative juices flow. Dive into the customization phase. Here, you can play around with the text, style, and interactions with the help of the Properties panel located on the right-hand side of your Framer interface. This space is your playground. Feel free to tweak the text that appears on your button, experiment with different styles, and set up the button's interactive actions to suit your needs and preferences. Remember, with the addition and customization of a button in Framer, you get to determine your project's user interaction, enhancing the overall user experience. Like all things worth achieving, it may take several trials to get it just right, but that's where learning and continual improvement happen. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to add a button in Framer. This new skill you have acquired today will undoubtedly elevate your design process. As you practice, you will gain mastery, and your interaction designs will reach new heights. Until the next lesson, keep exploring, practicing, and creating.